from the heart of nature, where golden sunlight kisses blooming fields.
With gentle hands and expert knowledge, beekeepers nurture these vital colonies, ensuring the health and productivity of every hive.
Each hexagonal cell, a marvel of engineering, meticulously crafted to store the liquid gold that sustains the entire colony.
Harvesting the rich bounty requires strength and precision, as each super, heavy with nature's sweetness, is carefully collected.
Inside the rustic shed, the delicate process of uncapping begins, revealing the liquid gold patiently crafted by the diligent bees. With practiced hands, the beekeeper carefully unseals nature's treasure, preparing each frame for the next vital stage of its journey. The uncapped frames are carefully placed into the gleaming extractor, a marvel of engineering designed to gently release the golden liquid. As the extractor gently spins, centrifugal force coaxes the raw honey from its cells, a natural process yielding pure sweetness. The first pour, raw, golden, and pure. A glistening cascade of nature's finest.
In a pristine environment, the honey undergoes careful filtration, removing any impurities while preserving its natural goodness and flavor.
Every drop is carefully inspected, passing through a fine mesh, ensuring only the purest, silkiest honey continues its journey. Through a network of gleaming pipes, the purified honey flows, a testament to precision and the highest standards of hygiene.
In vast, temperature-controlled chambers, the honey rests, maturing to perfection.
Each batch undergoes rigorous testing, measuring viscosity and purity, ensuring every jar delivers the perfect, luxurious texture.
Before filling, every jar undergoes meticulous sterilization, a critical step to guarantee the purest, safest product for your table.
At the automated station, each pristine jar is precisely filled with the radiant golden honey, a symphony of efficiency and purity. A perfect fill, a glistening golden dome, sealing in the essence of nature's finest, ready for its final luxurious touch.
Swiftly and securely, each jar is capped, locking in the freshness and purity, preparing it for its elegant presentation.
Every perfectly capped jar undergoes meticulous visual inspection, ensuring flawless quality before its final branding. The final touch, an elegant label meticulously applied by hand, transforming each jar into a symbol of unparalleled luxury. Behold the final product, a golden masterpiece, meticulously crafted from hive to jar, ready to grace your table. In our modern distribution hub, every golden jar is carefully stored, awaiting its journey to homes and tables worldwide. From our meticulous factory to elegant displays, our honey is presented as a culinary jewel, awaiting discerning palates. A single drop, a symphony of flavor. Taste the pure essence of nature, meticulously crafted from beehive to your spoon.
Amidst vibrant wildflowers, the tireless bees gather nature's purest essence, a crucial first step in creating our golden honey. Tiny architects of sweetness, each bee meticulously collects golden pollen, a vital ingredient in the rich tapestry of honey.
Under the watchful eye of a dedicated beekeeper, colonies thrive, a testament to the symbiotic relationship between human and nature.
With gentle smoke, the bees are calmed, allowing for careful inspection and the respectful harvesting of their sweet bounty. Expert eyes assess each frame, identifying the perfectly capped honey, ripe and ready for its careful collection from the hive. From hive to transport, each super is carefully moved, beginning its journey to the factory, a testament to tireless effort.
The raw honey arrives at our state-of-the-art facility, where nature's bounty meets precision engineering for unparalleled purity.
With meticulous care, each super is unloaded, ensuring the raw honey's integrity as it enters our advanced processing environment.
Rigorous quality control begins here. Every frame is meticulously inspected, guaranteeing only the purest raw honey proceeds.
Automated precision guides the raw honey through our advanced facility, ensuring seamless and hygienic transition to processing. Automated precision swiftly unseals the honeycomb, separating the golden liquid from its wax, readying it for extraction. Uncapped frames seamlessly transition into our powerful centrifugal extractor, where the golden honey is gently released.
Within our state-of-the-art extractor, the honey's natural purity is preserved, a testament to advanced, gentle processing techniques.
A continuous golden stream fills the settling tanks, where nature's bounty begins its journey to pristine perfection.
Through a series of advanced filtration stages, the honey is meticulously purified, achieving unparalleled clarity and brilliance.
Under the microscope, every sample is rigorously scrutinized, ensuring absolute purity and adherence to our unwavering quality standards.
Through precise pasteurization, the honey's natural integrity is preserved, guaranteeing both safety and its exquisite, consistent flavor. Through controlled cooling, the honey's optimal temperature is achieved, perfectly preparing it for its final, luxurious packaging. A final, critical sample ensures every drop meets our exacting standards for purity, taste, and luxurious consistency.
In vast, immaculate tanks, our golden honey rests, perfectly preserved.
Each pristine jar undergoes rigorous automated cleaning and inspection, guaranteeing perfection before it cradles our golden honey. Visible lasers scrutinize every jar, detecting the slightest imperfection, ensuring only flawless vessels hold our premium honey. A synchronized cascade of liquid gold fills each pristine jar with unparalleled speed and precision, a testament to our efficiency. Automated precision seals each jar with an elegant cap and tamper-proof induction, preserving the honey's pristine freshness within. High-speed precision applies our luxurious, intricately designed labels, branding each jar with the mark of unparalleled quality.
Advanced optical systems meticulously scan every jar, ensuring flawless labeling and presentation, a testament to our perfection.
Final human touch. A discerning eye, ensuring every jar meets our unparalleled standards of luxury and perfection.
Robotic precision places each golden jar into luxurious, custom-designed packaging, ready for its elegant journey to you.
The final flourish, a hand-applied wax seal, symbol of luxury and our unwavering commitment to unparalleled quality.
In the finest gourmet stores, our honey stands as a testament to luxury, a golden invitation to discerning palates.
Here, amidst nature's vibrant embrace, the journey of our golden honey truly begins, nurtured by sun and flower.
With reverence and expertise, our beekeepers meticulously tend to each hive, ensuring the health and vitality of every colony.
Witness the miracle. A single bee transforming nectar into liquid gold, cell by hexagonal cell, a testament to nature's design. With gentle hands, the bees are guided away, revealing the abundant, capped honeycomb, ready for its careful harvest.
Carefully loaded onto specialized transport, each super begins its journey from the sun-drenched apiary to our processing facility.
The raw honey enters our pristine facility, a carefully controlled environment where nature's gift meets advanced processing. A crucial sensory assessment ensures the raw honey's pristine aroma and natural quality, setting the standard for perfection. Automated cleaning meticulously prepares each super, ensuring only the purest, most pristine materials enter our processing line. Our automated uncapping line swiftly reveals the golden bounty, preparing each super for the precise extraction of its sweet contents.
Witness the power. Our colossal extractor gently yet powerfully separates pure honey.
A torrent of liquid gold, freshly extracted, flows into massive settling tanks, beginning its journey to ultimate purity. Through an intricate, multi-stage filtration system, our honey achieves unparalleled clarity and brilliance, a true golden standard.
Our scientists utilize cutting-edge technology, analyzing every molecular detail to ensure absolute purity and exceptional quality.
Our ultra-pasteurization unit ensures exceptional stability and shelf life, preserving the honey's exquisite flavor and natural goodness. Through advanced cooling spirals, the honey reaches its optimal temperature, ready to be preserved in its perfect, natural state. A robotic arm meticulously archives each sample, ensuring complete traceability and the long-term integrity of our premium honey.
In our advanced storage facility, vast silos hold our perfectly processed honey, awaiting its final transformation into elegant jars.
Our custom-designed jars undergo meticulous robotic inspection, ensuring every vessel is flawless for our premium golden honey. Advanced optical sensors scrutinize every micro detail, ensuring the internal perfection of each luxury jar, a promise of purity. Our multi-station filling line precisely cascades pure golden honey into each luxury jar, a symphony of efficiency and perfection. Automated precision seals each luxury jar with an elegant cap and tamper-proof induction, preserving its pristine freshness and quality. High-speed automation meticulously applies our multi-layered, embossed labels, transforming each jar into a masterpiece of brand storytelling. Advanced optical and weight verification systems ensure every luxury jar is flawlessly perfect, exceeding the highest standards of quality. The final, discerning eye of our expert ensures every luxury jar embodies perfection, a testament to our unwavering commitment. Robotic precision orchestrates the final packaging, placing each luxury jar into exquisite, sustainable presentation boxes, a true art. A holographic security seal, precisely applied, guarantees authenticity and protects the integrity of our luxurious golden honey. A single drop, a symphony of flavor. Taste the pure essence of nature, meticulously crafted from beehive to your spoon. From the purest beehives to your cherished table, experience the golden legacy of nature's finest, bottled with unparalleled care.